Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today we are going to discuss regarding free AWS IoT certification, Internet of Things Foundation Series as well as Amazon free learning path. We are going to discuss regarding how to get a free certificate related the topics related to Internet of Things. So many business developers and security architects want the IoT certification along with AWS series. Here we are going to here I am going to show you how to get a free training as well as certification. This certification you can keep in LinkedIn and you can keep it in your resume. It's a very helpful and certification and training is very helpful for everyone. So, the URL which you need for this particular certification is https://aws.amazon.com/blogs/get started with the IoT Foundation Series. Even just up to IoT, you can select it so that you will have an idea how to get this particular certification. This link will be provided down so that you can get this particular link for certification purpose. So here Internet of Things on AWS blog is shown here. So here not only this, you can find different IoT related certification and other related trainings. Right now we are going to see regarding the particular set that is the foundation series. So here get started with the IoT foundation series from AWS training and certification. Then click on get started today. Meanwhile, you will get this particular screen that is Introduction to Internet of Things Foundation Series. About this, it's a free, you can enroll it, you can train, and after training you will get a certification. About this course, the Internet of Things Foundation Series comprises a set of courses that experience related to IoT core on AWS platform. So here for the audience related to the business design makers, data engineers, device engineers, security architects, security operations engineers and others. So for this, a prerequisite is given through the introduction to AWS IoT, and this particular course is around 9.5 hours. The delivery mode is about the training. We recommend the attendees of this course have the following prerequisites. So let's go to the prerequisite. Once we click here, we'll go to the prerequisite, that is introduction to AWS IoT. Once you complete this small course, just an introduction course, AWS, this course is very, see, only one video, course feedback, two training materials. It will complete in very short period of time. Okay. Once you complete this, again you can come and complete this 9.5 hours training on on the course known as Introduction of Things, sorry, Internet of Things Foundation Series. So just you click on enroll, then you will get this particular Amazon AWS login page. Excuse me. So here, sign in page we are seeing here, where you can log in with your general Amazon account, that means shopping cart account, whatever shopping cart account you have. By using it, you can log in, where you have to give your email ID and the password. Once you give these details, you will enter into the AWS training session. Once you enter your login credentials, you will get this particular screen where Internet of Things series, start learning now. Click on learning now. Foundation series, telemetry, start course. So here it will give regarding introduction to IoT, that is foundation series, scenario, then Internet of Things and devices, demo creating a thing, then define device security, applying security, knowledge check, and all these the topics module wise. Module 1, so starting from module 1 is introduction to AWS IoT telemetry. The second, module 2 is introduction to, that is AWS IoT core services, overview of IoT core, then device security, then message broker and AWS IoT device. Then comes to AWS IoT role engine, then AWS press things, Internet of Things related to the data, that is AWS IoT analytics. Then comes to the practices. So totally 7 modules are there. Okay, then we are going to start course. So the course is started.
Hi, my name is Michael Garcia, and I'm a technical program manager for AWS IoT. I'm happy to welcome you to the AWS Internet of Things Foundation Series.
So video lectures will be given. Meanwhile, the subject also will be given in the form of the text. Later, knowledge check will be given. You have to write the small quizzes. Once you complete all these things, you will get the certificate.